This hazy is hoppier than the Dippa.
Not right off the bat. It's not like a go-to. If this was on draft, I'd pass.
Wow.
Like if I want a beer.
How about you keep inhaling burps every 4 seconds? Ready to rate. 8.3.
A drum roll fills you with anticipation, much like the notes in this hazy pale ale. Each year, we select the rockstar hops of harvest to craft this bold, juicy, tropically hop-forward brew, drumming up a citrus-inspired rhythm for what's to come. Once again, crushed the description.
Agreed. And to that we say, from Odell Brewing, Drumroll Hazy Pale Ale, thank you for gracing our glass.
For gracing our glass.